Success, thank you so much for being a part of GoaCast. I have a couple of questions, very interesting questions for you. Let's go.
Let's go.
What's one phrase in client feedback that gives you instant anxiety?
Oh, I think we're missing the point a little bit. If we could just emphasize, the messaging is getting a little lost here.
All right. How many times have you said, let's circle back in a week?
Me, I have had to say that to when we get feedback on scripts that I'm doing for reels,
Yeah.
and when you think you've absolutely nailed it, and then there is some feedback, and I'm like, okay, let's circle back to it in a week. I'll need some time to think about
It's
it.
multiple times, I'm sure.
Yeah.
What's the most used filler line when you don't have a real idea yet, but people can't know?
The process has begun, but I have a few thoughts. It's just that I haven't been able to shape them into a sharp line. So just give me a few more days, I'll get back to you.
That's clever.
But it is true because the
Yeah.
minute you get a brief, like the gears start churning.
Yeah.
And there are 3 steps to a creative process. One, where you sit with the brief.
Yeah.
2, you research whatever you have to, competition, etc. 3, forget about it.
Yeah.
Do whatever else you want to do, watch a movie, play a game, etc. Your brain is
Take a
doing
break.
background processing
Yeah, yeah,
anyway.
yeah.
And then see what thoughts have come in. That's number 4. And then 5, finally you have that fun loop.
Absolutely. One marketing cliche you're guilty of using.
Trends on Instagram and trending music, I mean,
But it works.
it
so,
works,
yeah.
but it is a cliche because I
Yeah.
mean, everybody wants to make trending brain rot music. Even if it's brain rot, they want to use it.
Yeah.
I mean, it works, right? And catchy slogans and taglines
Yes.
and like, I mean, I'm primarily a social media creator, right?
Yeah.
So it's always about like, what is the hook? So that
Yeah.
hook, that 3-second hook. What is the hook for this video?
You'll find out.
This can be the hook
One marketing cliche that you're proud of.
that I'm proud of.
Yeah.
I'm proud of the fact that I'm a very brand-friendly face. Like I am
sure.
across categories. I have, if you may want to call me that I've sold my soul, yes, I have. Very happily across auto, motorcycles, four-wheelers, technology, energy drinks, Red Bull. I mean, everything is covered. If you need anything
Are you
sold,
missing anything but something that you want to do?
fashion, surprisingly.
Really?
Fashion, hair care, cosmetics,
Hair care?
beauty. I haven't like,
Oh.
it's just completely like slipped out of my reach. I don't
Oh
know.
my God.
Hey, fashion
Yeah,
brands,
just DM him.
beauty brands, hair care, like hello.
What's your go-to comfort brand? Like one you're emotionally attached to for no reason.
It's not one. There
Okay.
are,
You can
like,
give a few.
There are like, I'm a partner with Apple. They've taken very good care of me.
Okay.
So like always solid love for them. Second is Red Bull. The amount of stuff and events that I have hosted for Red Bull, created content for them. They do some of the coolest events across the world. And to be associated with them and to be able to be the face for those events,
Really cool. Yeah. What's the most random place you've ever gotten an idea?
I mean, see, I wouldn't say the
Shower.
pot because when you sit on the pot, that's actually the most natural place.
Yeah.
But I did a very cool campaign for Defender, Land Rover Defender, where I got a tattoo in a moving car.
Oh.
And they wanted me to
Oh my
do
God. How
a
cool.
they wanted me to do a brand reel, and I was like, I don't. They were like, you don't want a regular, like these are the features. They're like, do whatever you want, have fun with it. So I was on a date with my partner, and just randomly I'm like, hey, I want to do that thing that they did in MTV Jackass, get a tattoo in a moving car, but actually do it well. And that's it. They said okay to it. They were surprised.
Wow.
I was surprised. They approved it. I got surprised in return. I was like, okay. I mean, they were one of the
Super
coolest brands to work
interesting,
with.
super Interesting. Describe your job to a 5-year-old.
To a 5-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay, so everything that you wish you could do right now in life but are not allowed to is what I do while getting paid.
Oh my God, that's a dream.
That is a dream.
Which app drains your time and and inspires your ideas?
I mean, obviously, the most normal idea would actually be Instagram.
Yeah.
But I try to stay away from it as much as possible. I go there, post content, and bounce. Sometimes I'll see things. WhatsApp takes a lot of my time because people constantly pinging about something or the other, and like I have this thing where I can't deal with notifications.
You
If
have
there
to
is-
open it.
I have to fix it. Like there'll be 0 notifications on my phone right now. So that just replying, reacting to reels, I'm just like But otherwise, I'm currently binging One Piece. So I get a minute, I'm sitting, I'm watching anime.
All right. If you could ghost one type of brief forever, what would it be?
Ghost one type of brief, like not have to deal with it.
Yeah.
I think anything that wants me to directly sell something, like directly
Without
result
the
into
storytelling part,
like if you're not interested in the story, but just want like sales to come out of it, then I'm like a little bored.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
One last question.
Huh.
Would you rather present to a sleepy boardroom or a hyperactive Gen Z focus group?
A sleepy boardroom any day, because I am the hyperactive millennial in this case who wakes them up. I used to work at MTV for 6 years.
Yeah.
I was the branded content head and I was responsible for pitching a lot of my ideas to get funds from them.
Yeah.
And
You take it as a challenge.
every time I would walk in, they would just be like, what is this colorful thing that has walked in with like these bright shoes, big hair, all jumpy? And in that instant, you know you have them because you start, I love talking,
Yeah.
and you just go in, they like wake up, they're like, oh, hello, hi. They can't get bored with me. And that's, I think, how I became an MC and a presenter because I just love talking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to us. It was lovely speaking
Like
to
I
you.
said, I love talking.
Yeah, and wishing you 100-fold success for everything that's coming for you.
Thank you for having me, Go Akash.
Thank you.
Peace.